guys, here from 4x4 and Camping Channel. And today, once again, I'm here with my mate Eli again. And today, I've got a very special video lined up. We're going to be taking apart an engine actually. So we've got a 4K Toyota Corolla engine, completely buggered, carby stuff that needs a Honda motor. So we decided why not take it apart for YouTube. So we're going to be showing you a bit more stuff how to take apart an engine and what to do. So we've got I think it's a 1.3 Toyota Corolla, so let's do this. You can go. So ready, we got all the tools set up on the table here.
So you can see we've lined out all the part spanners and ratchets. So it goes from biggest to smallest, so it's easy to find. So like if you need a part for like a 12 or a 13, you can just grab it from here because it's all lined out biggest to smallest. So it'll just help you keep your workspace cleaner.
Rightio, so first of all, safety first. We've disconnected the battery leads, so there's no power running through this engine. So first up, we're going to start removing things that are in the way of your main engine block here, like your carby, your spark plugs, your distributor, all those things are going to go. We've got a few things taken apart, so we've got all our spark plug casings taken out, distributor caps off, we've got the carby half apart here, carby's half apart, battery's been taken fully out. Been sitting on a block of wood there, so yeah, just getting some stuff apart here. Over here we've got parts, spark plugs, your carby sort of assembly here. So yeah, I've done a bit more work and starting to look a lot better. So we've taken most of the carburetor apart and have a go at the corrosion in some of these hose inlets. And there's no doubt this engine's not working, just corroded all the insides. I haven't even looked in this one yet, if I can get the camera on it. There she is. It's a radiator one. So yeah, she's definitely been fairly corroded in there. So keep going and we'll get into the fun stuff soon. We've got the carby, the throttle body off. So now we're going to start taking the rocker cover off. So we've got two bolts on top here. We're going to have these ones down here too. We've got these couple here, which we may have to take off. Right, keep going. Yeah, so we've taken the bolts out and now we're going to take the rocker cover off. First part, there we go, there's your valve springs and everything. Actually, there's your rocker cover gasket. It's actually pretty good, it's not sludgy at all. I'm actually really surprised about that. We'll keep going, wow. So now we're sort of going to get to the head of the engine. You can see in here, it's really bad, look at the corrosion in that. So it's the nice oiliness on top is not very, it's only skin deep. So we'll keep hacking into this engine and keep going. Right here we got your valve springs. So these are going to let your air and fuel into the engine. You're going to let your air in and out. Got your camshaft here. So this is sort of the top of an engine and your pistons are sort of further down here. So I'm making some progress. So I'm doing all these bolts down here. And all these ones across here and they are so tight. Just rusted in. So now we're going to take the camshaft off. So we've got a bolt in all of these. We've got a couple of nuts on top of these ones, and we've also got to remove all of your I don't know what they're called, from the valve springs by these. So take the camshaft off. It's as simple as that, and don't let it do that like I just did. Spring loaded, so camshaft off, so that's a good thing. Okay, so this is going to be the end of part one. I'll show you what we've done today. So I've taken the distributor cap off, all spark plug legs, spark plug casings and everything are out. The pizza shape down there, it likes pizza shapes. We've got a heap of other random bolts and crap here. Camshaft off, rocker cover off. You smash that with a hammer, it's not going back together, so but don't do that if you're doing it. So we've got our valve springs and that here. In part two I'm going to take the head off. So yeah, we've got the carby off, throttle body, throttle cables all out, radiator hoses. We'll come around here, show our pile apart. So we've got me King's tools, have been really good. So we've got rocker cover and gasket We got our rocket cover gasket, all your spark plug casings, heaps of bolts. These are all your what your valves are connected to. We got one head bolt out, which is here. Radiator hose, you know, heaps of other hoses, carby, spark plug leads. We got the camshaft off. It's a camshaft, pretty cool. So yeah, that's what we've got done. And so once again, thanks for watching this video. Elo's not going to be in part 2. I don't think it's probably because it's got to leave in a little bit, so I'll be doing that one on my own, I think. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, share it, and I'll see you in part 2.